Okay guys, so I wanted to go over another step that we should take when someone does not schedule a starting point session or if they showed up for the starting point session but didn't sign up. Okay, so I know Casey had Sayali the other night and she didn't sign up for the starting point session, or I'm sorry, she didn't sign up for the trial. So you would go to the form and then click on SPS did not convert and then submit that. So you would just hit save and then it's going to enter them through the sequence. If they don't show up, we want to make sure that we click on no show because that's going to take them through a sequence as well. And then if you have a call set up with them and they didn't answer or they did not book a starting point session, you want to make sure you click one of these as well because that will take them through some automated sequences. So just wanted to put this out there for another step that we should take because it'll save us time and energy with the automated emails and text. So if you have any questions, just let me know.